Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 3 in the 12 Days of Christmas Nail Art, we're going to be working on this drag marble using colors from Orly's Futurism collection. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are from Orly. This black and silver polish is Goth. The green is Urban Landscape. The blue is Ascension. The lavender is Industrial Playground. And the purple is Forward Momentum. And these 4 shimmers are from the Futurism collection, which I did receive as PR. I'll be using these for the drag marble and the black as the base color. I have a small lid that I'll be using to put the polish out, and I'm going to add the shimmers before I lay down the black, and then once I have the wet base ready, I'm going to add each of them with a dotting tool and then swirl through them. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and while I was kind of unreasonably nervous about doing a drag marble, I'm really pleased with how these turned out. As soon as I got the Futurism collection as PR, I kind of wanted to do a drag marble with them, and I think the shimmers in this collection just lend themselves really well to this technique. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which includes day 3 and day 4, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to hang out live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support my content creation here on YouTube, please feel free to join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.